What's going on, y'all? This is part 2 of getting Lucinda ready to sell, and today we're going to be installing Motodynamic's full LED projection headlights. Let's check them out. And I know y'all like unboxings, so let's unbox this thing. License plate holder, packaged pretty well. Out comes the assembly. Pretty good so far. And this is the module to be able to link it to the turn signals to link these LED bars on the bottom. Fully integrated turn signals and some more wiring equipment, cable ties, and what looks like a very good instruction packet.
So as you can clearly see, these lights are bright, they look right, and they light up the streets at night, man. Let me tell you, I am so ecstatic about this product. It makes me want to get me a street bike yet again. But nah, that ain't my lane. I'm gonna keep the fast bikes for the track, but the buyer of this bike is extremely excited about it. They look great, they illuminate great. I would 10 out of 10 recommend this product yet again. Only thing that I would like them to see in the future is the turn signals be able to turn yellow. That would be something fire. Other than that, man, y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.